In autumn, the Euonymus bushes produce bright orange or reddish-brown fruits. Its distinctive fruit and attractive autumn color make it a popular ornamental in parks and gardens. Despite its poisonous properties, Euonymus was often used for medicinal purposes in ancient times. Interestingly, women who knew the secrets of herbal magic used Euonymus to solve men's problems. An infusion was made from the fruit, and a spoonful was given to men 3 times a day. After prolonged use, sexual functions returned to normal, and erections became firm and stable.